3.2, project structure. In this part, I want to give you the, I take screenshots from my Eclipse project to give you a general view on the whole structure of this project. Yeah. All right. First, look at this one. Yeah. Here, two parts, the Java code part and web content part. Okay. Yeah. So let me draw this line, two parts. Okay. Yeah. So the Java code part, then you can see we have 4 packages, 4 different types of files. Yeah. The first one, controller package. So you know the controller, and we need to develop one controller here. Yeah. Input question controller. Yeah. So here you can see this controller, we want to handle the input data. So the data binding, input data. Yeah. But at the same time, we also put the data question listing part also we put here. We need to list all the questions in the bank. So that feature we also put in this controller. So you can see here we need to do 2 things. List questions, one feature, and enter new questions. Okay, yeah. Two features. Yeah. All right. The second one, you guys, DAO. DAO means data access object. It is a Java EE design pattern. EE design pattern. Okay, yeah, it is a very important concept. Yeah, very useful. So I will talk about it when we develop this DAO class. Yeah. So I will give you the background in that video. Yeah. Third one, domain. So here, domain, we know when we call a class of Java files, domain, mainly we use those classes to represent data. So domain, we mean that's for data representation. Yeah. But here, our command object, when we do data binding, command object is related to data, right? So the command object, it is a subclass of domain. So domain classes, so we use it to represent the general. So any data representation, so we can put there. Yeah. Here we do not separate, domain, command object. So we just put, all those things together under the domain package. Yeah. Here, our command object is just the one special case of a domain object. Yeah. The last one, validator. Yeah. So that's the one we borrow from the Duke Spring with some very simple basic modification so we can use it. Yeah. So here you can see after we create these 4 different types of files, then the Java code part is done. Okay. Then next, the web content part. Okay. Other than the images, first you can see, so we need to copy these 3 folders, the images part. Yeah. Then the JSP inside web-inf, so our view part. Yeah. we only have one view page list.jsp. Then the library files. Yeah. So those jar files that we need for this project. So I will talk about that later. Yeah. Then two configuration file. Controller, we call the request handler configuration. Okay, controller configuration and web.xml configuration. Okay, then redirect.jsp, the welcome file. Okay, so you can see after we get all these resources, that we call resources, the general, then we almost there. Yeah. So hope we do not make any mistake. Then we have this project. All right. So next, for this part, you can do some simple preparation. Now, in this video, I just ask you to do two things for the simple preparation. Okay. One thing is copy these library files. Library files. Okay, and other than so this one you copy from the math sync. Okay, the remaining these you copy from Duke Spring. Okay, yeah, put here. So then you get this part preparation done. Okay, all right. Other parts we will do one by one later. So here we just, in this, our second video, we just do the simplest preparation. Yeah. Then another thing you also need to do, under this web content node, copy 3 image folders. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these 3 from math sync. Okay, math sync. Yeah. So then we complete the first step. Yeah. Starting from next video, so then we do more and more. So every time we add a little more content into our project until we complete the whole project. Yeah. All right, so let me finish video B.2 here.